Hi, it's Steve from PartSelect. Today we're going to show you how to change the oven sensor on your range. Really easy job. All we're going to need is a Phillips screwdriver. Let me show you how it's done. Now the first step in this repair will be to disconnect the power to the appliance. If it has a cord on it, simply unplug it. If it's hardwired, we'll need to find the breaker and turn that off. Now the temp sensor is located in the upper left-hand corner of the oven. So we'll open the oven door and locate the two Phillips screws that hold that oven sensor in place. Next, we want to very carefully pull that oven sensor and its harness forward. The harness is coming through a small hole in the oven wall. We want to make sure that that stays connected if at all possible. Disconnect the harness connector. And then we'll want to compare that with the connector on our new temp sensor, and if it is different, they do supply some harness adapters that we can configure to make it the same as the original. We simply reconnect that harness. And we'll push that harness back through the oven wall. And we're pushing this through some insulation, so we have to wiggle it around a little bit to get it to slide through. Now that we've got the harness all the way in, we're ready to reinstall the two Phillips screws. Now we're ready to reconnect the power, and our repair is complete. That's just how easy it is to change the oven sensor on your range. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your repair.